Alright, it's 10 o'clock, so I'm going to come in here and mark the high. The highest the stock's been, which is 424, or it looks like 01. So let me go ahead and mark that to the upside. Then to the downside, it looks like 522.77. So let me go ahead and mark that. There we go. And then I will wait for a break and a retest of either this top zone or this bottom zone. I'll wait for a break and retest of one of these points, and then I will jump into either a call or put, and we'll see what's up. Alright, SPY just broke past that little level I had set. I just got the alert. It took a while, but it just broke past it, and I wasn't going to jump in as soon as it went past it because I'm looking for the retest. It's dropping right now, so if it gets caught right here at about 424 and then starts to bounce back up, that's exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm watching for it to bounce up off of 424 right here. 524, my bad. I'm watching for it to bounce up off of 524. If it does, then I'm going to get into a call. That's the break and the retest that I'm looking for, so I'm keeping an eye on that. Let's see, I got like, what, $110 in the account now, so let's see what call I could grab. Man, I'm still not able to get a really good contract because the one I want's 137, and I only have 110, so I can't quite grab that one. But I can get an in the money contract, as you can see, because it's later in the day. 424 is the price. 424 call is only 68 bucks, so I can grab that. Let me look at the Greeks on that. Theta 0.6, Delta 0.5. I like that. So the price change is pretty good as the price of the contract increases a lot as the price of stock goes up per dollar. Let's see, 8,000 people in the call, only 1,000 in the put. I like that, so that's pretty cool. Just still watching for this to bounce up off of 524 rather. If it does stay up above 524, then I'm interested in grabbing this 524 call that is in the money for pretty cheap. But we got to see what's going on here because, like I said, I needed to bounce off of 524 and go up. So that's what I'm watching for right now. The break and the retest, you know what I mean? Looking forward to retest that limit. So if it starts to drop back below down in there, and then I'm not interested in it. It just has to keep going up from here. Oh, there we go. That's the retest that I was looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in now on a 524 call. 70 bucks now. I'm going to go ahead and grab that. I like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get into that. There we go. Order is filled. So let me pop back over to the chart to set the stop loss. The stop loss obviously is going to be the point where I was going to get in now, but in reverse. So if it drops below 524.01 now, that's where I'm going to get out. So that's the stop loss. And then as far as the take profit goes, I just got to cruise over to the left a little bit here and see if there's any strong resistance where it got caught last time, you know. There's not always, like sometimes I can't find a place by scrolling to the left where it bounced off because sometimes it just hasn't been that high in a while. And if that's the case, that's fine. It doesn't really matter. I can just kind of eyeball it, and if it starts to slip back down, I can get out. But I'd like to find some strong resistance by scrolling to the left to, you know, plot a point to get out. But this is looking like it's just not there. It hasn't been this high in a while. So I'm just scrolling like endlessly to the left, and there's nowhere to plot as far as a resistance to get out. So I'm just gonna have to eyeball it, do it the manual way. Which means like if it, you know, if it starts to do this, turn around and go back down, or if it starts to just stall, trade sideways, that'll be my cue to get out, since I don't have an exact point to chase to the upside, or to target to the upside, I guess. Let's see what I'm down right now, 5%. Just giving it a second to see what's going on. This was literally a perfect break and retest though, so if this doesn't work out, then there's not much I could have done about it. Oh man, and there it goes. It's starting to bomb downwards. Alright, I guess that's it. I'm gonna have to get out. This didn't work out. This trade did not work out because it's already going against me, so there's no point to sit in this. Watching the price in the middle of the screen, 523.91, 523.90, 91, still at about 90. What did I get in this contract for? 70. So if I get out for 60, that's like $10 loss. So let me see if I can get out for that and still be up on the, you know, where I was in the account. There we go. I'm out for 60, so I lost 10, but I think I was up like 11. Yeah, I was up 12, that's right. So that way I'm still up $1. So it's not the end of the world, you know what I mean? Because I'm still up $1 from where I started, so technically I'm still up, and I didn't let it bomb. That's the most important thing, is you don't just want to stay in this contract and just let it bomb. But You can see that I played it right. I played it smart. I marked the levels. I waited patiently from 10 o'clock this morning up until what, 12:30. So I waited 2.5 hours for it to break this level. I didn't get in as soon as it broke this point, this level here. I waited till it went up, came back down, hit it, bounced off of it, started going back up again, which is around here. So as soon as I actually got the break and the retest back upwards, I got in. So I waited patiently for the break and retest. I didn't have a point to target to the upside, so I was just watching it to either consolidate or trade down, and then I was going to get out. And then it did just that. It started trading down, so I had to jump out. So I mean, I played the plan perfectly, like to the T. I waited patiently for the break and the retest. I got in on that. I was hawkeyeing it to see where to get out, since I didn't have an exact point to get out. So I did everything that I wanted to do, or that I should have done. You know what I mean? It just didn't work out.